Welcome to the in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the Ampere, and after that click here to install. Wait a second and wait after the application will download it and install it on your device. After that just click here to open, and here click yes I agree, click close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and here we can see the information with our device battery temperature. In our case that's 30 and 7 degrees, and also here we got more information about our device battery and more just info like the model of our device, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.